During this series of videos, I have purposely not overlapped objects. Now we are going to see what happens when we overlap objects when we activate Mirror Merge. Let's keep this design grouped and see what happens when we overlap the group design. Select the object and select the Wreath tool in Mirror Merge. I'm going to click on the screen when the green circles overlap in the middle. Notice in color film, the objects are not color sorted, and I can select individual groups of the design and they remain as groups. I'm going to select undo, and then I want to ungroup this design. So I'm going to right click and select ungroup, draw a bounding box to select everything, and select the Wreath tool once again. With an ungrouped design, I'm going to get a dialog box that asks me if I want to merge overlapped objects. For this first one, click yes and see what happens. The green circles that overlapped in the center merge into one object, and the type of stitch is even changed in that object. Let's undo again, and this time let's choose not to merge. I'll select everything, click on Wreath, and again click on the design when the green circles are in the middle, and this time I will choose No. Notice in color film, the groups have been color sorted for you. I can also select each of these green objects, and they are not grouped together. They maintain the original fill. Sometimes it is best to merge, sometimes not. If you want to have the same angle applied to a merged design and don't need to edit the individual components, then you can choose to merge. If you wish to be able to edit components separately, maintain the type of fill and individual angles of the objects, then don't merge the objects. Let's look at another type of design. I've created a half heart design, and let's mirror merge this. If we want to create one object, then we will choose to merge. I'll select Mirror Merge Horizontal and click on the screen when the designs touch. When offered the opportunity to merge, I'll select Yes. When I select the design, the entire heart is selected, and I can click on a satin outline and notice the nice corners that I get at the points. Now let's do this same thing, only this time we will choose not to merge. I'll select the half a heart, select Mirror Horizontal, come back on the screen and click, and this time select No. Now when I select each part of the heart, they remain as separate objects. If I select all of the design and select a satin outline, look at what has happened to the corners. They remain as overlapped objects and don't form a nice point. You can choose either to merge or to not merge, basing your decision on what you need for the final design.